Hello everyone. Thank you very much because you choose my channel or choose my video. Today already we go make chicken oven. This is my recipe and I hope you like it. We already go direct because we not take much time. We can go together, see the recipe and go already make it together. I have here one normal spoon curcum and 1 teaspoon curry, 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon cinnamon. And also you need to have oil and you need to have the chicken. Whatever part in the chicken, this is okay. This is side, thigh, head, whatever. Any part in the chicken you can make it. You like it and you love it very much. Okay, we already go together, see what we go do. I already did oil inside this pan. I do something like 5-6 spoon oil inside and make it hot. After I make it hot, I take this one. I start do the curcum inside after the oil go hot. This is not difficult, this is easy. You can make it yourself. Now the oil hot, we already close the fire. We not need more than this. I already closed the fire. And after that we go do inside the curry. And after that go do inside all the spices. This is the coriander, this is the cinnamon, this is the black pepper, and also I do have a spoon here salt, but the salt I leave it for you like your taste. You do the salt like you like. And the paprika and the cumin. I'll start to make it like that and leave it. When this is not too hot, we start use it. After this is not hot, I come back for you. Okay, now already I leave it something like 10 minutes. This is, yeah, still warm but not hot. We already make also the oven work. Before we do anything, I make it work in 220 Okay, and we already start to do everything here like that. I'll take this one. You take everything inside. And start with your hand, mix it like that. And after that we leave it inside there like that, something like 10 minutes. I go wash my hand, and after that the 10 minutes inside this spices, curcum, everything, and I come back for you. Okay, after 10 minutes I take this here like that. We already using oven pan, and you do inside, this is the butter paper, and you start take it one by one. Like this. This is 1 kilo chicken, but sure you make what you like. If you like to make more, you can. This also you can. This is not difficult and also not take time, and I think you love it. Maybe just take everything here. Yes. And after that I work with my hand, but my hand I wash it very nice, and because honestly the Egyptian not like to use gloves, and the normal Egyptian people already work direct with his hand like I do. Okay. Now this ready. Now already before I work, I make my oven hot. I already do this pan in middle the oven, and I leave it something like 45 minutes. But also after this finish, I show you how this look, because also you can know the view Yeah, because can also in your oven this is take something like 35 minutes, can be take 1 hour, this about your oven. Okay, I do it inside the oven, and after that yes, and after this done I come back for you. Okay, now already after 45 minutes we can already go see what we get. I take something. Sure, this is too hot now. Take something like. Oh, wow. This is look like that. This is here all the oil and all the fat inside the chicken go out. This is I think. I hope you like it. And now we done. I hope you enjoy the recipe. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I think you like it very much. And please, if you like it, not forget make for me subscribe and like, and not forget the bell. And see you next dish. Bye bye.